Hey y'all, it's your girl Natasha Nicole, and ooh, okay body, come through. Just kidding y'all. Come spend a day with me cleaning and organizing my beauty studio. Now I started off by cleaning and organizing my little snack area. I love that my clients can come here and have a snack, have a drink or two, and just feel like they are at home and comfortable. Now I love to have a candle burning. It just adds to the ambiance and it smells so nice. Now, the first thing you see when you enter my office is these big, beautiful windows. You're able to see inside the space, and it gives so much gorgeousness to the space. So we got to go ahead and wash these windows, okay? Now, I really take the time to clean and sanitize everything down in between clients and at the end of the day. It really means so much to me that my clients can come and sit here in comfort. So this drawer was giving zero organization, so we're going to go ahead and wipe everything down and get everything clean. Now, this is my most used eyeshadow palette. This is a makeup staple for my soft glam girlies. This is the Essence eyeshadow palette by Natasha Nicole Beauty. If you don't got one, go get you one, NatashaNicoleBeauty.com. Now, here I'm just wiping down the eyeshadow palettes, but I do go ahead and spray my eyeshadow palettes down with 70% alcohol, just so they're nice and disinfected. What are some of y'all favorite eyeshadow palettes and an absolute must-have in your makeup collection? Now, besties, y'all better come up here and get y'all one of these. These are Natasha Nicole Beauty eyeshadow palettes. The brown one is our Essence eyeshadow palette, and the pink one is the Pink Pretty Impress. These are absolutely must-have. They're gorgeous, pigmented, all that. NatashaNicoleBeauty.com. Go get y'all one. Now my eyeshadow palette drawer is all clean, organized, and complete. My eyelash drawer is a mess. We're going to go ahead and clean, disinfect, and get this organized, okay? Now I do have my own collection of mink eyelashes. The first pair are the Unforgettable, and the second pair is our High Maintenance. They're 25mm lashes. Majority of my eyelashes are completely sold out, but I will be restocking very soon. Now, besties, look at my junk drawer. This drawer got receipts, chargers, screws, like, I don't know what's going on with this drawer, but we're going to get this clean and organized. Like, really? A whole leg to a TV? Crazy. Now, besties, you know I'll put y'all on, and y'all know I'm going to plug my business. Another thing y'all need in y'all makeup collection is a Natasha Nicole Beauty lip gloss. Fire. Please check out our website to see all of the different shades that we have. And we are done, besties. This looks absolutely gorgeous. I love how you can see what's in the drawers right from the glass. And thank y'all so much for tuning in to my cleaning and organization videos. Like and let me know in the comments if y'all would like more of these kind of videos. Till next time, Natasha Nicole Beauty.